No, so what's happening in Gowanus right now is there's actually been a lengthy neighborhood study on the existing land uses in Gowanus and potential for additional development. There is, city planning is pursuing a massive neighborhood zoning text amendment that is going to increase development potential in areas of Gowanus that can support it, try to protect some of the existing manufacturing businesses, and then revitalize the canal by placing, so the canal is subject to the city's waterfront zoning. And the city has a policy of promoting access to the waterfront in exchange for higher density that would be under this Gowanus neighborhood rezoning. They are going to be, in order to get a building permit, you're going to have to provide certain waterfront amenities, as well as we talked about the E designations before. You're going to have to make sure your site has been remediated in order to allow mixed-use residential development. So the city has a vision for the property in the Gowanus neighborhood, and particularly around the canal. And we were hoping that zoning text and map amendment would have been certified to begin the public review process by the end of this year. I think it's probably going to be pushed into the first quarter, but we have lots of clients, property owners that have been watching the status of that moving forward.